AI native networks are going to cross the chasm. And I can say that confidently because over the last decade, we have moved from VMs to cloud native to automated networks to intent-based networks, control loops, to a point where now it has set the path for AI native operations. The action, though, is going to be on the RAN side, and we look forward to the service providers globally moving in that direction. A prediction on API and agents is very important because we believe that API and agents are the next revenue stream for the operators. Network monetization through fraud detection and a lot of use cases that projects like Kamara support are going to be mainstream. And AI agents will be all over the place, reducing operations cost, but not increasing traffic. Prediction on edge is critical because edge AI will move to the device and data will stay on the edge. These two things need to happen for inferencing to take off. It is critical that projects like Edge AI that allows LLMs to run locally and Edge Lake to have data stay locally are incorporated into products and solutions by Edge AI companies.
One thing I see emerging is the build out of many smaller localized AI data center that is driven mostly because of regulation for data privacy and sovereignty. And these data centers have new demands on networking. They need efficient and cost-effective networking. And I think open source software will play a huge role here through projects like Sonic, the networking operating system, which provide through open source a great platform for creating the innovation needed to provide this high performance networking and also make it accessible to everyone, whether it's a smaller or larger player. And then speaking about efficiency, my next trend that I'm identifying is the need for doing more with less when it comes to telco networking. So telcos just completed recent rounds of big investment in hardware, mostly around 5G, and they're now looking to extract more efficiency from that infrastructure before they make their next hardware investment. So open source software is once again the perfect platform for creating this necessary innovation as the outcome of the work of open source communities. And all this work is becoming available to everyone who needs to use it and making it possible to, without changing much in the hardware, to create more efficiencies in the radio area network through projects like Okudu, Duranta, and the ORNSC, and many other projects in management and orchestration. All of that provides the opportunity to do much more with the existing hardware and all the innovations coming from the open source software. So with all that, I'm looking for yet another exciting year in open source networking.